Master the art of interpreting ECGs with confidence using Golwalla's Electrocardiography for medical students and general practitioners. Designed for medical students and general practitioners, this book simplifies complex ECG concepts with comprehensive explanations, clinical correlations, and step by step guidance. Packed with clear diagrams, flowcharts, and practical tips, it's the ultimate resource for understanding arrhythmias, diagnosing heart conditions, and enhancing your clinical practice. Whether you're preparing for exams or managing patients, Golwalla's expertise equips you with the knowledge to excel, empower your learning, transform patient care, and make ECG interpretation second nature. Available now in stores and online. Start your journey toward mastering ECGs today. Decode the complexities of ECG interpretation effortlessly with Golwalla's electrocardiography for medical students and general practitioners. Designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice, this guide offers clear explanations, clinical insights, and practical tips. With